Hello everybody, today I will show you how to use the Alt key with different shortcuts to make your life more easy in Excel. The first one I want to show you is the Alt plus. With this one you can make the sum. I'll press Alt plus and I will make directly the sum function and press enter. I'll make the same here, Alt plus. Like you see, the range is correctly done. Press enter, and here I can select this formula, and in this corner left click and drag it to those cells, and my formula will go here. The next shortcut will be Alt enter. I want in this cell to have two paragraphs. I will select this specific cell, and here, like you see, easy examples, I want to be the next paragraph, and I will press Alt enter, and now will appear two paragraphs in the same cell. If I want to create a chart straight away, I need to select that specific table and press Alt F1, and immediately the shortcut is done. If I'll press Alt, you can see in the rainbow appeared the letters of each tab. I'll press Alt A and press again T, and my header of the table will have the filter selection. If I want to group those data, I need to select this range. I want to be hide and grouped. I need to press Alt Shift in the same time and right arrow. Will ask me if I want to group by rows. Yes, okay. If I go down here, I have this minus sign, and I'll press it, and now my data is hidden, and if I'll press plus, my data will appear. It's more practical than to hide the data. Alt F4 if you want to save. It's not the practical one, but you can use it. If you like to use macro and you want to have the dialog macro, you need to press Alt F8 and the macro will appear, and you can make the macro. And if you like to have the virtual basic editor, you need to press Alt F11. And here the Microsoft Visual Basic for application will appear. Thanks guys for watching me, and have an excellent day.